All right, we're right back at it. We see that we're above the 10 now. I mean, we were looking to see if it was going to come test this area. We don't know for sure where this is going to bottom, but if it opens up above this high of 87, 187.35, this could be the pivot low. So we just have to see how that works out and where that continues. But again, weekly, I'm bullish, and that's that. You have the QQQ. This one, a gap below. So if you look at the intraday action, you kind of see what happened. A gap below and then finished up strong. So that's bullish. And right now, we just want to see if it could at least take out these highs or at least break. If it breaks these highs of 90.61, then you, again, have another pivot point, potentially, if it follows through, to get back and test the highs. We got the Russell. The Russell is one that is in the middle of this channel. We talked about it. It's pretty much at, touch the bottom, and let's see where it can go tomorrow. I would want to see it get above that 10. The 10 is at 11.94, so we want to see it get above that 10 before we start looking at anything. If you're aggressive, I don't know if I even like this, but if it could kind of break above this 1200 level, that could be something to be good for the upside. The diamond, again, let me look at the diamond, make sure I got the colors right for this. So this is a green candle. Sometimes it does that. It did close close to the 10. Again, this is another one. If we can get some follow through, because we still have bullish MACD, and then we could just continue to the upside. So I'm not looking to short this right here, right now. I want to see at least some type of crossover from these moving averages before I even remotely think of that, and it hasn't happened yet. So you remember this happened, gap down, gap right back up. Well, you never know what's going to happen, but right now I'm looking at these higher time frames that kind of tell me, okay, we have an inside day currently, and if it breaks above the 64.89 level, then we're back to the upside. Let's look at a couple names. Let's start with Apple. Apple to me still looks good if it can get above this high of yesterday. We got Skyworks. Skyworks looks actually real good. Wants to follow through tomorrow, but that one looks really good as well. We got Buffalo Wild Wings. That looks pretty good if it can claim above these highs. And basically, if you're a breakout trader, get above this high of yesterday's candle, that'll be a good one as well. Tesla is holding this level that we had here. What the hell? No. I think I put the wrong type of, yes, so I did the wrong type of thing. Let me take this. I pretty much wanted to put this here to say it's holding the gap low or the gap high. You see it's holding this gap. So again, aggressive, you take above that 10 for 246.93, and then you could get, maybe this would be your low, but this would be your stop based on this gap high. So that's something that if it's managing to get to your risk profile, it would look good. Only thing I don't like about this is bearish MACD, quite honestly. You have UNP looking good to the upside as well. Nice engulfing pattern. We just want some follow through tomorrow. We got FedEx. FedEx. That one has been congested for a little while, but if it can get above this high of 138.60, that one looks good. You got Under Armour trading sideways, but then again, you got to look at it like this. It has higher lows in place. If it could just break above these highs, then you could see it take out this high of basically 120 and continue to the upside. So I like these lower highs in place, and it's just congesting. So look for this one if it can break out tomorrow. We have McDonald's. This could just be a tight flag for more upside potential. We also have VMware. VMware. That one is continuing to the upside as well. We have PCAR actually looks really good for tomorrow. Same type of scenario that it's just giving a nice engulfing pattern from sideways consolidation. So if it can break above this 66.46, that one would be good as well. And you have Whole Food Markets that looks like it is breaking this downtrend. So that one could be good for tomorrow as well. So a couple names that you guys have. I think Pan W was another one that looks good. If it could break above this high, eventually get to this high, looks like it could really do some nice damage and follow through from this piercing pattern, basically gap low and breaking above high and continue to this high point on the weekly. So keep that in mind as well. So like to keep them short, like to keep them between 5-6 minutes. I'm there right now. Trade them well. Also, I just want to say with the Tesla stuff, I think I posted something on Twitter that Tesla basically had they're banned from Jersey. What's up with that? I mean, at the end of the day, my thing is, you're always talking about the free markets and all this stuff like that. So if a company wants to sell directly, they have to sell through dealers. What part of I thought this was the land of the free. I guess it's not free unless you pay someone, right? But that's another story in another channel. You get enough of that on YouTube. So take care.